Who is the brand ambassador for Fit India movement? All right, now be very careful with the answer options. I hope you guys are getting this question correct. If not, let me help you out. The correct answer is Nupur Patil. The answer options are Naman Patil, Kamlesh Handu, Nupur Patil, and Kuldeep Handu. All right, so Kuldeep Handu has been the brand ambassador for Fit India movement in the past. Current, however, is Nupur Patil. All right. Today, in 2021, she stands as a proud ambassador of the Fit India movement, promising to bring a major change to the world of fitness. Right? Let's move on to the next question. In the Cannes Film Festival 2021, who won the Best Actress award? All right, so Cannes Film Festival 2021, you need to know the awardees and you need to know the awards thoroughly. Very important question, can be asked in a lot of exams. I would suggest you to like basically just star mark this. All right, let's get the answer options. Keith Marshall, Rennie Michel, Leos Carrix Annette, and Renette Renesvi. All right, so the correct answer in this case is Renette Riensvi. All right, she has won this for worst person in the world, Norway. That's the name of the movie. All right, this is the name of the movie, and she has won the best actress award for it. Right, so you need to keep this in mind. Let's move on to the next question. Which of the following is a book written by Kunal Basu? So books questions can be framed in either of these two ways. First is they give you the title of the book and then they ask you to pick the author of the book. The other way of going about it is you you are given the author of the book and you need to choose the title of the book. All right? So there are four answer options given to you here. In an Ideal World, My Own Mazgaon, Living Life King Size, and The Typical Indian Living. So these are the four answer options. Okay, the correct answer in this case is In an Ideal World. Alright, so Kunal Basu is the author of In an Ideal World. It can always come up as a question which says who is the author of the book In an Ideal World. So you need to know that it's Kunal Basu and vice versa. Right? Let's move to the next question. Where is the Food and Agricultural Organization headquartered? Right, Food and Agricultural Organization, FAO. If it's not mentioned as the entire thing and if it's just given as initials, this is also referred to as FAO. Right, FAO is headquartered in which of the following? Right, so the answer options are Italy, Belgium, Austria, and Switzerland. All right, let's look at the correct answer. The correct answer is Italy. All right. Food and Agricultural Organization is headquartered in Italy. The Food and Agricultural Organization, commonly referred to as FAO, is a specialized agency of the United Nations that leads international efforts to defeat hunger. All right. Let's move on to the next one. Which of the following country has recently decided to join the Asia Pacific Free Trade Grouping? All right, one of these countries has recently decided to join the Asia Pacific Free Trading Group. We need to choose which of the four countries is it. Right? First option that we have is Japan, second is India, third is China, and the fourth is Singapore. All right, the correct answer in this case is China. All right, so China has applied to join the Asia Pacific Free Trade Grouping composed of 11 countries. All right, to increase its influence in international politics. All right, so a couple of things that you can remember with respect to this question is what is it composed of? It's composed of 11 countries. What is composed of 11 countries? Asia Pacific Free Trade Grouping. All right, let's move on to the next question. Who is the current CEO 2021 of Ambuja Cements? All right, say Ambuja Cements का current CEO कौन है? You have four options: Neeraj Akhauri, Sunita Reddy, Vipin Saudhi, and Amit Singhal. All right, the correct answer in this case is Neeraj Akhauri. Right, Mr. Neeraj Akhauri is the CEO India Lafer Holcim and Managing Director of and CEO of Ambuja Cements Limited. All right, let's move on to the next question. The tagline is this: beauty for a purpose is associated with which of the following brands? We have four beauty brands given to us, so they will try and keep the answer options a little difficult to pick from, okay? So you cannot directly eliminate based on the category of the options given, right? Because all the four are cosmetic brands. The first one is Avon, the second is Sugar, third is Mama Earth, and the last option is Stay Quirky, right? Now let's look at the correct answer. The correct answer is Avon, right? Avon Products Inc., or simply known as Avon, is a multinational cosmetics, skincare, fragrance, and personal care company based out of London, right? Let's move on to the next question. You need to guess the brand from the incomplete logo given below. Let's look at the incomplete logo. This is a little tough, but I want you guys to pause and try and attempt it if you can. Just think about something around tires. Okay, this is just a clue that I'm giving at my end. Your exam will not have this clue. Okay, let's look at the answer options: Dunlop, MRF tires, Seat tires, Continental tires. Okay, the correct answer is Dunlop. But of course, I've not mentioned tires next to it. Doesn't mean that it's not a tire brand. Okay, so do not get confused with respect to that. Dunlop Tires is a brand of tires which is managed by different companies around the world. Founded by pneumatic tire pioneer John Boyd Dunlop in Dublin, Ireland in 1890, the brand is operated by Goodyear in North America, Europe, Australia, and New Zealand. Right? Let's move on to the next question. Olympics 2024, okay, 2024 important, will be hosted in which of the following countries? We have four answer options for the countries: France, England, China, and Japan. Which is the correct one? I hope you guessed it right. The correct answer is France. The 2024 Summer Olympics, officially known as the Games of 31 Olympiad and commonly known as Paris 2024, is a forthcoming international multi-sport event that is scheduled to take place from 26th of July to 11th of August 2024 in Paris, France. Right? Let's move on to the next question now. What is the currency of Israel? All right, Israel or Israel, however you pronounce it. What is the currency? Now there are four options given to us: Israeli rial, Israeli peso, dirham, and shekel. All right. Again, do not be misled by the word Israeli, because in a lot of exams they might give you such words only to make it difficult for you to answer. Okay, the correct answer is Israeli shekel. Okay, just because the term Israeli is not mentioned before that doesn't mean that it's not a possible answer. Okay, so you need to know the currency of various countries prior to your exams. So this is one of the most important things that you need to keep in mind. Do not get confused with respect to these kind of questions. Let's move on to the next one. Who is the brand ambassador of Udaan? All right, Udaan is a retailer app. Who is the brand ambassador? So we have four options: Amir Khan, Pankaj Tripathi, Shreyas Talpade, and Bhuvaneshwar Kumar. Correct answer. I hope you guys have watched their ad commercials. It's Pankaj Tripathi. Right? Pankaj Tripathi is the brand ambassador of Udaan app. They have released multiple ad campaigns featuring Pankaj Tripathi. So you need to know a little bit about that startup. It's one of the fastest growing Indian startup as well. So Udaan के बारे में थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ लो. Can be asked in exams. All right, let's move on to the next question. Which of the following companies bagged the most innovative investment promotion agency 2021 award? Again, the most innovative investment promotion agency in the year 2021. So we have four options. First is Indian Invest, Invest India, Investiza, Invest In. The correct answer is Invest India. Right, so Invest India bagged the most innovative investment promotion agency 2021 award. Okay, very important to note. Let's move on to the next question. Which of the following authors has written a book on Nathuram Godse? Now, this is another twist to the regular books question wherein you're not given the title of the book, You're not even given the author of the book. You have just been given the context of the book, and you're supposed to pick the author from the answer options. Okay, so we have four options given to us. Number one is Kavita Rao, Dhaval Kulkarni, Dharmesh Shah, and Veena Rao. Correct answer in this case is answer option B, that is Dhaval Kulkarni. I hope you guys have got this one right. Dhaval Kulkarni is the author of the book. Now we know the name of the book, which is Nathuram Godse, The True Story of Gandhi's Assassin. Right? So now we know what the book name is, you know the author name. Keep a note of it. You know the questions can be twisted and asked to you in the exam, but the premise still remains the same. So please ensure that you learn these things. Let's move on to the next question. Now, recently, RBI has given its go ahead to which of the following banks to form a special committee of directors in order to oversee the operations. Right? So, RBI has given a go ahead or a formal OK to which are the following banks to form a special committee of directors in order to oversee the operations. We have four options: SBI, Ujjivan Small Finance Bank, Yes Bank, and IDFC First Bank. Correct answer option in this case is B, which is Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. Okay, the Reserve Bank of India has given its approval to the Ujjivan Small Finance Bank to form a special committee of directors so that they can oversee the operations in absence of a CEO and MD. Right? Let's move on to the next question. World Bamboo Day is celebrated on which of the following dates? Alright, so World Bamboo Day is celebrated every year on 18th of September. Alright, and the purpose of this day, why is this day celebrated in the first place? The purpose of this day is to raise the world's awareness of the protection and promotion of the bamboo industry and bamboo plantations. Alright, let's move on to the next question. Who is the current CEO 2021 of Audi Worldwide? Alright, Audi or Audi, however you want to pronounce it, worldwide. So we have four options given to us: John S. Chen, John Stankey, Jess Talley, and Marcus Duisman. Alright, the correct answer in this case is Marcus Duisman, and he is the chairman of the board of management and member of product lines at Audi AG. Right, that is what you need to remember. Let's move on to the next question. Chali Hawa Mastani is the tagline of one of the brands given to you in the answer options. Okay, and guys, just pause and understand this question before you go ahead and answer. What it's talking about is has been a tagline of one of these brands. All right, so it's not the current tagline. It may not be the current tagline. Okay, so again, get out of that zone of current affairs. So it may not be the year 2021, but it can be something that is there associated with prior. All right, so it's been a tagline associated with one of these brands. You have to pick the right one. The answer options are Centerfresh, Chlormint, Synthol, and Close Up. Now remember guys, all are C options. All refer to freshness. Alright? Freshness in the gist of it is around freshness, all of these four brands. So obviously they will give you answer options which can be confusing. Nonetheless, the correct answer option, and I hope most of you have got this correct, is Centerfresh. Alright? Centerfresh is one of the power brands of Perfetti Van Melle India, has won the love and trust of the consumers and has become synonymous with chewing gums and fresh breath confidence. Right? Let's move on to the next question. Guess the brand from the incomplete logo given below. Another logo question. Let's look at the incomplete logo. All right. Sort of difficult. I wouldn't say it's easy to, get, but let's just look at the answer options. First answer option that we have is Fortis, second is Apollo Hospitals, third is Medanta Hospitals, and fourth is Max Hospitals. Right? Let's look at the answer option. The correct answer is Fortis Healthcare Limited. Alright, so Fortis Healthcare Limited is an Indian multinational chain of private hospitals headquartered in India. Fortis started its healthcare operations from Mohali, where first Fortis Hospital was started.